folks. I'm not even sure if y'all can hear that wind. I know I can. Try and do a little bit of follow popping. Take a few shots at the closest target, which is 100 yards, and see how that goes first. Wind no matter. Just trying to remember where the drop is. Here we go, 100. Yeah, that 100 smacked pretty hard. Let's see if I can get a 150 to smack that hard. 150. Oh, that's a nice solid hit at 100. Let's go 150. Oh, that's sounding good. That's sounding good. Out here we call that ringing steel. Alright, let's try 200. 200, 200, 200. Oh, I got Domino running across the way. Let him move, let him move. He got nervous. I put that there silver metallic paint on it. It makes the targets sound off. Alright, 200. 200. Alright, folks. That's it for now. Let me go ahead on and see what it look like. Ooh, that sounds